Hey guys, Greg here. I wanted to give you guys a market update on BTC and some other cryptos real quick, and just give you my thoughts of what I think is going on. Last night, I got really nervous. I put in a long position last night, and I picked up the position at around 43.1, and I went all the way down to 42.9. If you see that yellow line, that was the line I was telling you. That was the pivot point that I was telling you guys about. If it breaks that, it's going to go completely 100% bearish of bearish. But you can see it missed. Bitcoin missed that pivot point by just over about 150. Looks like not 100, about 120 dollars right there, and this was hit my zone, and it went in. I went ahead and placed some long orders, so I still have them in, and I put my stop loss at about 40. It was 42,603 is what I put it in at, but that line was the top of my count, was 1. So this was a real deep, if this is correct, this is a real deep wave 4, and potential, I don't know how high Bitcoin is going to go, but just because it went so deep, now it's probably only going to go up so high, and it's going to stay within this this resistance level now, because the amount it could go up, just if it went to the resistance, is 15%. So I have a stop loss down there. I'm going to go ahead and let it ride out. See what's going on with it. So go on to some other coins. Solana. Solana did an impulse down now. So it was actual 5 wave that it came down to do, and maybe not. Hold on, let me check it. Yeah, some sort of impulse it did down. I'm gonna have to double check Solana. So Solana is either going to be this impulse down, just give you guys an idea if you're looking for any opportunities, because this is going to be what Bitcoin's going up on, in my opinion. This is the last leg up for Bitcoin, and that's potentially, that's it. And then it's going to be time to put in shorts on a lot of the Bitcoin and assets. So this is either an impulse down on Solana right here, and it'll be going up like this, and it could go all the way back up to where it was, or I take a look at it a little bit closer. This itself could be A, B, C, and Solana could go back up to the highs like this. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, and up for 5, like that. Let me minuet, put the waves on, like that. So this is either, just have to watch that. This is either going to be, this was impulse down, it'll be ABC up. And you just have to look for that area, and then it could be shorts at this time up there, or right here, wherever this goes to. See where it turns around, and then at that point up there, you can put your area up here would be your stop loss. Something you have to just watch it and check for targets. I'm going to be looking at that for Solana. But this more than likely, the X is going to be here, or the X is going to end up being there for Solana, and then everything's going to be coming back down. Let's see. Harmony 1 is weak, really weak. It did an ABC type move, and it's going to be going down below 10 cents. Near protocol could have put in a 4th wave, or it's in an ABC, same thing as Solana, but it really needs to go up and hit those highs of over $18. Kusama It's taking Kusama a minute to come up, so let me skip it. There we go. Phantom had a real deep correction. It broke that area, so Phantom is more than likely pretty bearish, and it's probably just going up in some sort of ABC correction. If Phantom does get up to past $168, that'll be a really good short area. Dot's the same as Phantom. It broke that area, so more than likely this is pretty bearish, unless you see it break all-time highs. So I don't think that it is going to, not all-time highs, but break these highs of 23 up here. Luna, same thing, doing the same thing. Let's see. Sandbox went really low. It could be trying to attempt to get into a bullish count. You just have to watch to see where it's going to be dragged up to. This is a coin right here, Soul, I was telling you about, Soul Phantasma. And this was really interesting coin that I made a video about, let you guys know, is that, you know, it had a reaction off that bottom over here. And then you can see in this scenario, this is a good example of trying to hold the ball and trying to keep it down, the ball underwater. And you can see the Bitcoin in the market was just trying to pound this thing down to break those lows. So I actually bought this coin for a long, and at my stop loss at 89.42 or thereabout, something like that. I think I put 89.30 or something. And if it broke that, obviously it's going to go bearish. But if Bitcoin goes up to say even 45 or 46, then you know, this is actually would be its wave 3, so it's a different sequence. This could potentially go up to, say, maybe I'd have to just see, because it's you know, more corrective move up, but it's bullish move going up in this situation. And then it could go up to like maybe $1.20, $1.30 or something like that. So I bought some of that down here, already in profit. And then AVAX is not, last time I checked, it wasn't looking good. Yeah, it wasn't looking good. It actually came up on a ABC, and now it's heading back down. But down in this area below 60, or the 60 area and below, is going to be a really good area possibly to be looking to get into that coin if you're interested in AVAX. The only thing with AVAX is that they're doing some stuff where they have possibly inflation issues, and then they had their supply on CoinMarketCap and it got removed. I have to go back and check that though. Hex down. RUNE had a major sell-off. People were probably taking profits in that area, and it sold off because of the rest of the market. But RUNE needs to still come up and bust that high. I know some have said the low, it's a local bottom on RUNE. I would not say that that's the low until it completes this. Bitcoin pushes up, it can do that. It should be able to do that. And then you can buy the dip on that. All right, guys, that's pretty much all that I have. I just wanted to go over BTC. If it keeps pushing up a little bit, don't know how high this will go. But if it just breaks that low of 42,600 or thereabout, then it's very bearish. But I would suspect that Bitcoin is probably only going to go up something like maybe right there. Yeah, that would be right. It's going to stay within this right below this resistance level, I suspect now, since it corrected so deep. And it might go up to as high as, say, 46 or 47, or just might tap that trend or something like that. That's my guess. But at the same time, it could just go up a little bit, and then it turns and it breaks that, and you know that it went bearish. All right, guys, that's the end of my video. Peace.